When it comes to choosing the best AI content generator for blogs, it can be overwhelming to decide between Copy.ai and Scalenut. Both of these tools promise to streamline the process of creating content, but which one is more effective? In this video, we'll compare Copy.ai versus Scalenut and help you determine which AI blog generator can actually take your writing to the next level. First, let's talk about Copy.ai. Copy.ai shines when it comes to producing diverse content quickly. Its user interface is clean and simple, making it easy to generate anything from blog intros to email campaigns. However, while it's great for quick, basic content, its results can be a bit too generic at times. You might need to spend extra time editing to get a truly unique tone. Plus, its focus is more on short-form content, which means longer blog posts might not be as effective without a lot of human touch. Next, let's dive into Scalenut. Scalenut, on the other hand, focuses more on long-form content and SEO-friendly blog writing. One of its standout features is its AI Writing Assistant, which is designed to help you create in-depth, SEO-optimized articles. Scalenut's blog post generation feels more like working with a co-writer rather than just a tool. However, this doesn't mean it's flawless. While it's great at SEO, it can sometimes lack creativity and might need a lot of tweaking to make the tone more conversational or engaging. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Copy.ai is incredibly beginner-friendly. Whether you're a new blogger or just need something to save you time, it's pretty straightforward. But with Scalenut, there's a slight learning curve. It comes with a lot of features, especially for SEO, but this can overwhelm some users. If you're looking for a tool that's more versatile for complex blog posts, Scalenut offers deeper functionality, but it may not be as intuitive for total beginners. The next thing to consider is their pricing. Copy. AI has a flexible pricing structure with a free plan, though it comes with limitations like the number of words per month. Scalenut also offers a free trial, but its pricing can be more expensive, especially if you're planning to use it regularly for long-form content. In terms of value, it depends on what you need. If you're creating shorter blogs or occasional posts, Copy.ai might offer a better return on investment. The fourth thing is customization. Both tools allow for some level of customization, but Scalenut excels here by giving you the ability to tweak the SEO aspects and create detailed, niche-specific content. Copy.ai, while great for generating different tones and styles of writing, doesn't have as many advanced options for customization when it comes to SEO. Lastly, we have the quality of the output. Both Copy.ai and Scalenut can generate decent content, but they can fall short when it comes to highly specific, niche topics. Copy.ai's strength lies in speed and simplicity, while Scalenut's content feels more refined but might need more time to perfect. You may need to fine-tune both, but Scalenut has a slight edge when it comes to quality, especially for long-form blog content. Now, I've tested both of these platforms, and while they each have their strong points, neither is perfect. So, if you're truly looking for a better alternative for creating effective blog content that actually stands out and ranks well, I recommend checking out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best trial experience, plus some extra benefits only available to our viewers. While Copy.ai and Scalenut are solid options, if you're looking for the best value, flexibility, and quality in one, there's something better out there. Take advantage of that free trial and start seeing real results in your blog writing today.